Good to see you again. In this episode, Self-Help TV features 11 things that make people lose respect for you in the office. Can you imagine if people lose respect for you in the office and you don't realize what make them lose respect for you? You'd better watch the video till the end and find out 11 things that make people respect for you in the office. Before we proceed, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Let's begin with a discussion about the importance of workplace respect. Maintaining a happy and healthy work environment begins with showing respect in the workplace. You allow others to respect you while still creating a working relationship with your coworkers. Respect, on the other hand, is a powerful tool for reducing workplace conflict, stress, and issues. An increase in employee respect leads to improved communication between coworkers, more teamwork, and the maintenance of workplace harmony. When mutual respect is promoted, it leads to greater productivity, comprehension, and knowledge. The exchange of positivity and ideas will increase total creativity and knowledge as mutual understanding and respect grow. Reducing the amount of nonsense and politics in the workplace will also help to boost productivity. The question is, what is the importance of showing respect? Relational ties will be laden with hardship and disappointment if it is not present. Others will not respect us if we do not respect ourselves, and we will not be respected by others if we do not respect ourselves. It is fundamental to feel safe, to be able to talk without fear of being criticized, shamed, or mistreated. We gain confidence, self-adequacy, psychological well-being, and success when we are aware of others, valued, and respected. There are several characteristics of business etiquette that are generational in nature. Others, on the other hand, have stood the test of time. Many of the behaviors you exhibit at home or with friends may be offensive at work. The issue is that few people will speak up if they are made to feel uncomfortable. They'll just put up with it in public and make a mental note of it. Offenders make the error of being oblivious or supposing they got away with bad behavior. Then you wonder why it's so difficult to get others to follow you or support you in important endeavors. Here are 11 things that make people lose respect for you in the office. Number 1. Excessive sharing. Your detailed dating exploits and weekend party selfies may appear innocuous and amusing to you. However, revealing too many facts and events may give the impression that you are narcissistic and in desperate need of attention. Worse, any inappropriate stories will draw attention to your lack of maturity and caution. People are always left wanting more. The simplest approach to judge is to tell a narrative and then see whether they ask for further information. Number 2. Lamenting. It's beneficial to work in an environment where voicing unhappiness is accepted and encouraged. Some people, on the other hand, whine about almost everything without any basis. Allowing a negative attitude or simply a bad day to impede you from advancement and likability is not a good idea. Choose your battles and be a fixer, or find a productive outlet for your frustrations. Number 3. Stealing or lying. Some people believe that telling a white lie once in a while is appropriate. Isn't it true that everyone exaggerates their resume? Many people believe that lying is an unacceptable form of behavior. Taking items that aren't yours, whether they're supplies or office trinkets, is the same. Tiny acts of unethical behavior are nonetheless unethical, and if people see you openly breaching the rules or the law in small ways, they will assume you are unethical in larger ones as well. Number 4. Laziness. Workdays are difficult enough without having to pick up the slack for people who don't do their fair part. People on the team are aware of who isn't contributing their fair share. Coworkers who show up on a regular basis may become disgruntled if you miss too many days. Put in the effort or seek out a job that truly inspires you. Number 5. Always being late. People become tired of having to wait for someone to show up, whether they are late to work, meetings, or deadlines. It makes you appear egotistical, disorganized, and inconsiderate of others' time. There are numerous tools available to assist you in keeping track of your appointments. If you don't make an attempt, no one will trust you. Number 6. Disseminating drama. Nobody has time for whining and making excuses. At some point in their lives, everyone faces a challenge. The first time you have a problem or express a slight emotion, it won't hurt you, but if it becomes a habit, people will avoid you like the plague. Number 7. Gossiping. People may like hearing you brag about Susie's advancement or Bill's marriage, but they are also assessing you. They're telling themselves that they can't trust this person with important information. Number 8. Being obnoxious. Today, cussing is prevalent on TV and even in the workplace, but that does not make it acceptable in the views of the public. Dropping the F-bomb in public and delivering risque anecdotes are both considered impolite and can ban you from attending events. A little polish and discretion go a long way toward establishing a respectable reputation. Number 9. Dressing in a way that is overly casual. Although it's nice that many businesses no longer need a suit and tie, sweatpants and pajamas go too far even for casual Friday. It's always a good idea to dress one level up from what's required. You will appear more professional, and others will admire your sense of style. Number 10. Acting hypocritically. Do as I say, not as I do is not a good technique to help people, and it will soon undermine your authority. Set a good example. People will rely on you if you have a constant attitude. Number 11. Placing blame on others. Others who are capable of taking responsibility for their own acts and experiences are valued and respected. You can come across as careless and petty when you throw others under the bus. Those that are accountable and can build up rather than knock down others are given leadership opportunities. As the final word, gaining respect from others is really necessary in daily work routines. Therefore, it is very important to realize things that make people lose respect for you in the office. Have you ever done anything that made people lose respect for you in the office? Write your comment below. Smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.